Berachot, Perek Bet, Mishnah Vav. Berachot, second chapter, 6th Mishnah. אגב המשנה הקודמת, because of the previous Mishnah, מובאות בשתי המשניות הבאות, we're going to read two more משניות, הלכות נוספות, other laws, שרבן גמליאל נהג בהם שלא כהלכה. That we see that רבן גמליאל acted not the way he preached, not the way he taught. Well, רחץ בלילה הראשון שמתה אשתו, רבן גמליאל washed himself in the first night after his wife passed away, אף על פי שההלכה, even though that the law, שהאבל אסור ברחיצה במים חמים, that a person who's in mourning is not allowed to wash himself with warm water. הקל רבן גמליאל על עצמו, רבן גמליאל put a leniency on himself, ורחץ במים חמים בלילה, and he washed with hot water at night, בלילה הראשון שמתה אשתו, in the first night that his wife passed away. אמרו לו תלמידיו, again, his students came over, and his students told him, לא למדתנו רבינו שהאבל אסור לרחוץ? Didn't you teach us, our rabbi, that a mourner is not allowed to wash? למה הקלת בזה עצמך? Why upon, when it came to you, you were lenient and you did wash? אמר להם, so רבן גמליאל told them, איס איני כשאר כל אדם. I am not like all other people. שונה אני מאחרים. I am different than other people. איס תניס אני. I am a weak person. I am a fragile person. חלש ומפונק. I am weak and fragile. וגופי זקוק לרחיצה בחמים. And my body needs to wash in warm water. שאם אינני רוחץ, יש לי צער. Because if I will not wash my body, I will have pain. A regular person doesn't have pain if he doesn't wash his body. But me, as a fragile person, I will have pain. ואין עבור אבל אסור אלא ברחיצה של תענוג. And when the Torah tells us do not wash, it doesn't talk about washing for health reasons. It is talking about washing for enjoyment. For me, the washing is not enjoyment. It is to prevent health reasons. It is to make me healthy. For that, the Torah allows it. Just like if you got dirty, while your hands get dirty, even though you're a mourner, you're allowed to wash your hands. Same idea. Because it is not for pleasure, it is for other purposes.